Hi, this is Yoshi. Okay, lecture 17 is a frog. Use a square-shaped paper. And folding has frog has many repetition like iris, and processes are almost same with iris. So I recommend to watch only supplement video for frog. It will start from 5 minutes and 46 seconds. It is probably better to do that way. Okay? Fold rectangle twice from two directions, mountain foldings, unfold, and then valley folding of triangle, white side to top. Now you are getting familiar with this move. Unfold and colored side on top, and tap from the behind, white side. The paper will naturally fold into square. Then the next is to fold triangle at one end of square. This is exactly the same as iris. Insert your finger and open that triangle. It will be like this now. Then fold small shaped triangle to cover the white side. And do the same for the opposite side. And then open this triangle, two triangles, and create a odd shaped rhombus. So now you understand why I put frog and iris together, right? Now all four pieces of surface will be the same processes. So I'm not going to talk too much about here. And now you understand why I say better to watch supplement video rather than this a slideshow. Slideshow is probably too quick. So this is the third one, I think. Maybe fourth one. I'm not sure. Okay, after you complete all four pieces, it will look like this. Now fold half of the shape, sharp end. Again, this is going to be done 4 times. So it's all repetition. You have to do 4 times of this. When you finish all 4 pieces, it will look like this now. Then change the direction. Now this, fold this one. This is going to be the frog's front leg. And the other side also become a front leg. And then work for the back side leg, which should fold at 90 degrees. and do the same for the other side. This is not yet finished, but it becomes like a frog now. And all four legs will be folded by nakaware ori twice. Small area and getting very thick. Okay, push the head and frog. Frog is done. Okay, lecture 17, a frog supplement video. This probably explains better and if you watch carefully. Two mountain foldings in rectangle directions. Unfold and fold triangle for valley folding, which means wide side top. And the valley folding area is going to be folded naturally to make a square. This technique has been used quite already many times, which is very important and we'll use a lot. Very similar to iris. Fold triangle and open that. And fold small triangles to cover the white area. This is marking the lines in order to make a rhombus. Open the two small triangles, and create a rhombus. Okay, the first one is done. The next one, the second one. The next is to fold small triangle to cover the white. Unfold the triangles and create odd-shaped rhombus. So this is the second one is done. Now you're going to work for the third one. Long triangle. Open that. Insert your finger. When papers are getting thick, it sometimes stick or stuck there. When you face that situation, don't rush. Take your time to sort out. Okay, third one is done. This is the fourth one. when you complete frog, the shape is so look like a frog. And these two, iris and frog, are similar and needs lots of processes. That's why I put in here. Once you've done this, the next, after lecture 20, it will be much easier. Lots of interesting shapes, but the complexity is much less. Find the flat face and open side to create a long triangles. Okay, find the flat face surface and fold a long narrow triangles, flat surface, okay, now he's going to make a front leg. Work for the other side of front leg. The next is the back side of back legs. About 90 degrees against the body. Okay, do Nakaware Ori. In lecture 18 and 19 is Nakaware Ori and Kasane Ori, which is a very important one. So don't skip those two. I can feel Grandpa Tsukara is getting tired of it, folding frog, because he has done iris and frog together, so he's done twice for both, and each take at least 10 minutes to do it. He's pushing the head towards inside, flatten the head. Okay, that's done. A bit ugly, but done. Okay, enjoy.